Hi, I'm Simon. I'm just bringing you this video of the second flight of the DJI FPV drone in full Acro mode. So we've taken off all the limits and flying it with no restrictions. So 87 miles an hour, and you can do loops, flips, whatever you want to do. Crash. So, scary times. But I should have brought this video to you a couple of days ago, but I've had a couple of issues. But yeah, sit back, enjoy the video, let me know what you think. Right, so second flight, we're going to go in full manual. Let's do it. So we're going to have to change the settings. Have to go into control. To go into remote controller. Right, so we're going to have to go down to custom mode under button customization and make sure that the mode button is set to manual mode, because as standard the manual mode button is set to sports mode, so you can't accidentally put it into manual mode. Right, so we do that. Go back. Now it has two limits, so you can have it set up so that you can have M mode attitude limit set to on, and that stops you from being able to do flips and stunts and etc. So if you stick it into M mode attitude limit and turn that off, so we'll do that, it'll come up and ask you practicing in DJI a virtual flight required before disabling attitude restrictions. Right, so we're going to disable that, and there we go. Now we're in full Acro. Scary times. But I do have experience of FPV, flying with a couple of simulators, etc., and flying a little 2.5-inch drone as well. Right, so we've done all of that. I'm just going to quickly check the video modes. Recording in video quality 4K 60, transmission quality high quality. Yeah, so that's all good. And actually, one thing that is worth setting is you can set to start recording on takeoff. So I'm recording with both, and auto record on takeoff. I'm going to set that so that if you forget to push the record button, it will start recording anyway. Right, so we're all set. Right, so I'm just making sure that that is set into normal mode to start off with. Now I'm going to take off. So I've taken it up. Right, so let's stick it into Acro mode. Alright, so I've switched it to manual, and what you have to do is you have to move the sticks so that it turns green. Right, and there we go. thing is, if you do get into a position where you're a bit out of shape, just bang, sports mode. Brings it to a straight halt. And that's the beauty of this. And you want to go back into sports mode. It's a shame you can't see the on-screen display, because you'd be able to see what I'm doing. Certainly goes. And there we go. And that sharp movement that you just saw there was me putting the brakes on effectively. I'm going to bring it back for a landing. There we go. Landed it. So, that was scary. Certainly good fun though. But yeah, need more practice. Right, I hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, drone, awesome bit of kit. I did take it easy though. I didn't do any major stunts or manoeuvres that could have risked crashing it, but yeah, no, it is certainly a fun bit of kit. Now if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget, if you want to see more some more of my videos, hit subscribe and smash the bell button so you'll get notifications of when I bring the next videos up. See you again soon. Bye for now.